Here we come to a parking elevator somewhere in Johnstown. Oh. Bet it's an Eastern. We're behind, hello. You hear thunder. It's got Adams buttons. It's got the bumper. It is another Eastern. There's a 6. 6 barely lights up.
Yeah. Oh, wow! Oh, that was the phone box.
Don't do that. Good motor.
Nice muscle. Oh. That must be the even level thing.
Check out that. It's got a nice bumper. It's a pretty good elevator though. Listen to this. Classic bumper. They also got the door sensors too. Now listen to the motor startup. This is an Adams 1989 Eastern. All right, listen to this motor starting up. These are Adams fixtures. It's got a jolty stop to it. All right. It shuts down and that's it.